Hi, it's Michael Ogechi Abbey with Enterprise Express Tax Services in Bowie, Maryland, wishing everybody a happy new year. I'm sure that the year 2024 will be good, bring everybody peace, joy, and prosperity. Just wanted to talk about a few things. We are adding a few more services to what we do. One of the main ones is tax planning. A lot of people don't really know what it is, or even if they do know what it is, they're not quite sure how it fits into their financial vision. Tax planning is where a tax professional gets with you and looks at your long term tax planning. Let's put it for uh, essentially what the professional is doing is saying, hey, let's take a look at what you're doing now. It could be with your tax withholdings. It could, for instance, be with how you are allocating your tax payments, and taking a long look down the road and saying, okay, maybe we need to tweak a few things, maybe we need to make some changes, maybe we need to align your tax strategy with your overall financial vision as well. And so this is, I would say this is something that you really cannot do without, because taxes are so important as part of your financial strategy. For instance, you might be someone who is beginning to earn so much more that you can no longer avoid taxes from your income or from your pay stub. And I see this all the time, where, for instance, we may now have to recommend that you go down the route of estimated taxes, where you pay a certain amount every quarter to the IRS. Um, that's part of tax planning. Tax planning could be also be at a point where you now earn a certain amount, where you now have to say, okay, I have been thinking of this business that I want to do for some time. How do I incorporate this into my financial vision, so that I can get the best deductions that could benefit me as well? Okay, so these are some of the things that your tax professional can sit with you and discuss and say, okay, we recommend this, we do not recommend this. Taking a look at what the economic situation in the country is right now, we're probably going to recommend that you pay more taxes for a certain amount of time, or even sometimes recommend that you pay, less taxes, depending on what kind of plan that we come up with. So tax planning is an important thing, and that's a product that we are going to be offering starting this 2024 season. And we highly recommend that you look into this. The way that we're going to be doing it is, we will offer a free consultation over Zoom or in office, preferably over Zoom. 20 to 30-minute consultation where we just discuss and look at your overall financial vision, and then we'll come up with some recommendations. Of course, tax planning is a fee-based service, so there is a separate fee for tax planning. But I think that once we go over with you and we're able to explain the benefits, incredible benefits of tax planning, I think that this is something that most of you will see as a necessary service. Um, most people haven't been in this financial services for a while. Most people that I've dealt with who have become financially stable are the ones who have planned. There have been a few who've come across some lucky things that have happened to them, but I would say 95% of those who have reached their desired financial goals are the ones who have actually planned towards it. And so this is why tax planning is very important. 2024, pretty much, of course, we're going to be our high standards. We're going to be meeting those high standards to our customers and our clients. Call us anytime if you have any questions. However, I will say this: we are becoming a fully remote office, which means that less office visits, more online. more consultations via Zoom, more consultations via Google Meet. It's time effective, it's convenient for both you and us, and it makes us give you a faster, more efficient service as well. And that's why we are moving towards a fully remote office. Now, what's happened with that is we've had to upgrade our technology quite substantially, which is good. It makes us a better company. Um, but this is the way that we've decided to go, and I think it's going to benefit not just us, but you, our customers, as well. The other thing is that a lot of our content now will be on YouTube. YouTube offers us a better way of presenting material to our current and future clients as well. And we've just found it to be a lot more not just convenient, but also in terms of the bandwidth, what it's able to handle as well. So you're not going to be seeing as much long videos from me on LinkedIn, but you will be seeing a lot more material on YouTube as well. We're also going to be producing a lot more webinars, educational webinars as well, on not just taxes, but financial services and the like as well. Lastly, the additional product that we're going to be offering in 2024 is credit mediation. Some people call it credit repair. I don't quite like the term credit repair because I think that's been abused, but credit mediation, credit resolution, and we're also going to be offering tax resolution services as well. So credit repair, credit mediation is where we look at your credit and see how that fits in with your overall financial picture. And then we make certain suggestions, and we can actually because we're partnering with a credit repair company, use that software to correct some issues that you may have and put you on the path to where you can actually have a very good credit score, and not a temporary one. Some of these companies, what they do is they give you a temporary fix. Our vision is more towards having a permanent fix because it has to align with your financial vision as well. Tax resolutions, where if you have tax issues, for instance, some people, have are owing the IRS and have been doing so for years, and they've not been able to resolve those issues. We do provide tax resolution services as well. And if you've ever heard of a product the IRS has called an offer and compromise, we do that. So if you need to have a professional who will guide you through the process of an offer and compromise, where you actually negotiate with the IRS to reduce your tax debt, then we're here. We can provide that service to you. So I'm looking forward to a great 2024 with our current and future clients. And again, there will be a link for our YouTube content. But you can always contact us by phone, by email. I'm reachable. My details are readily available. The fact that we're moving 100% remote doesn't mean that you cannot make an appointment to come into the office if it's very necessary. We will still be accommodating that. Once again, my name is Michael Ogechi Abi. I'm the owner of the company Enterprise Express Tax Services, and I look forward to providing excellent service for my current uh, and present and future clients in the year 2024 and beyond. Wishing you guys all the best. Thank you.